A sound, a creak. Something unnatural is in the kitchen. The squirrel wakes with a jolt, his tiny heart racing. What was that? He tiptoes down the hallway. Thunder crashes outside. Of course it does. He peeks around the corner, and there it is. The fridge door slowly creaking open by itself. Okay, nope. This house is haunted. I'm out. But then, silence. No chase, no ghost. He grabs the only weapon he knows, a nut. Okay, buddy. You've watched 300 horror movies for this moment. Time to squirrel up. He creeps back, opens the fridge, only to find a chubby hedgehog sitting in the fridge, casually munching cold spaghetti. And just like that, midnight terror becomes midnight snack time.